XRP price has been testing the $0.604 barrier for roughly 10 days with no significant bias leaning either way. Moreover, the volatility seems to be lost as daily returns for the crypto are hovering around 2 to 4%. The $0.604 barrier is crucial in determining where XRP price will head next. A resurgence of buying pressure could be the key to triggering a 20% upswing to the daily supply zone, extending from $0.757 to $0.807. Due to the presence of the 50-day simple moving average inside the said supply zone at $0.773, there is a good chance the upside will be capped around this area. Therefore, a 21% gain seems likely for the remittance token. While a bounce off the $0.604 barrier could induce a bullish outlook, a breakdown of the same support level will indicate that a leg down is likely for XRP price. In this situation, Ripple will revisit the $0.518 support barrier and slice through it to collect the sell-side liquidity resting below it. This 20% crash would further remove the need for XRP price to head lower and set up a base for a move higher.